subscribe Sweetpeas and to another dupe check video. Today we are comparing a whole bunch of, well, two other polishes against Kristie from the new Zoya Splash Collection. This is kind of your traditional pink shade that you see a lot of brands do, but especially Zoya. So I actually went through my Zoya drawer and grabbed a few polishes that looked very, very similar to the new shade called Kristie. So this is one shade called Kelsey, which I have no clue when this came out. I've had this for a really long time, I think. I'm not 100% sure. And same goes for Ellie. I don't, like, these don't stand out in my mind from a certain collection, so they may have been out for a while, or they just could have been one of those shades that, you know, they've been around for a while, so I don't really think of them. So first up, we're going to apply Kristie on the same nail that I've been trying to keep consistent for most of these videos, on that side as being the new polish that is the newest release. It has a really nice formula. Of course, as I've mentioned in other Zoya videos, I wish they had the bigger brushes, but they don't yet. That's an add-on. Now we're going to put on a Kelsey next to it. Now on the first coat, Kelsey seems a bit brighter. A little, maybe a hint more of purple undertone than maybe a reddish shade. Kristie is looking a bit warmer than Kelsey in my opinion. However, we're going to apply Ellie here, and Ellie is looking very much like Kristie in my opinion. It's a bit warmer toned, or possibly. We'll definitely kind of see in two coats because Ellie did have a different feel in the formula. It felt a little bit thinner, in my opinion, than Kristie and Kelsey. But here is two coats of Kristie. Definitely full coverage. Has a really nice finish, in my opinion. That's another thing. All of these polishes dry very nice and shiny. Of course, I always suggest a top coat, but it is nice to have a shiny start whenever you do apply a top coat. I feel like they always stay shinier with shiny top coat. I don't know. That could just be me. And here is your second coat of Kelsey, but that kind of did deepen Kelsey a little bit, and I feel like it does look very similar to Kristie. It's just still a bit more cool tone. But Ellie, on the other hand, Ellie is looking very much like Kristie. So there's all of them in two coats, and right now I would say Kristie and Ellie are definitely dupes. I would say Kelsey is really, really close, where you definitely wouldn't need all three of these polishes, let alone two of the polishes. They're very similar, and I do feel like had you had all of these on your nails, that no one would really notice that you're wearing three different polishes because they are so similar, in my personal opinion. So I'm going to go ahead and classify these as almost or pretty much Kristie and Ellie. Absolutely, I definitely think those are dupes. Kelsey, on the other hand, I feel like there is a shade difference, so I wouldn't necessarily, they're like super, super close, so maybe go close enough or dupe. This is kind of like a half and half video, and I definitely don't think anybody would need all three polishes in their collection. So that is my thoughts on this little comparison. I can't wait to hear what you guys think. I hope you enjoyed this, and thank you so much for watching. I'll see you back here soon for another new video. Bye!